guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to show you guys how you can get an at-home blowout. This hairstyle is so easy. It takes like 15 minutes and it's literally a blowout in your house. You don't have to go to the salon no more. You can just do this at home. Super easy. It adds so much volume to your hair. Looks like you got a blowout at the salon, and I absolutely love it. You guys usually see me on here with completely straight hair, but today I'm going to show you guys how we can spice it up a little bit, add a little bit more volume to our hair, and I'm loving it. I'm literally like just waving my hair around. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, and let's get into it. So this is what my hair looks like right after the shower. I just washed my hair and I let it air dry for a little bit. You want to make sure when you're doing this, your hair isn't soaking wet. I want to say you want to make sure it's more like 80% dry, so you can still feel that it's wet, but it's not like soaking, you know what I mean? So that's what it looks like. My hair is usually very straight. It has like a little bit of a curl, not really, more like a wave. So this is what it looks like naturally. So what you want to do is you want to start by just like parting your hair how you wear it. I usually wear my hair down the middle, so I'm just parting it down with a comb. So now that that's parted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a heat protectant. You guys know me, I am a firm believer in heat protectant. I can never do my hair without a heat protectant. So the hair tool that we're going to be using today to create this magical blowout is this right here. This is by Kipozi. It's a hair dryer comb. And guys, all you need is one tool. This right here is all you need. Kipozi was nice enough to send this to me, and I've been using this for quite a while now, and I really like it because it's so simple, so easy. It looks like this. You could see that it is a pretty big comb, so it's going to give you that nice voluminous wave, that voluminous curl, because it's really big. It's not thin, so I like that. And it does have 3 settings. It has low, middle, and high, so you kind of have options. Very lightweight. It's not heavy. I don't like tools that are too heavy because like my hand's like weighing down, so this is really nice because it's very lightweight. And then it has a 360 swivel cord, because you guys know I'm huge on cords. If it tangles, I'm over it. So really like this tool. Totally recommend it. I will have everything linked down below if you guys are interested. This is the box that it came in, and it even comes in like a little dust bag, which I feel like is so perfect when you travel. I'm always going somewhere, I'm always doing something, so now I can just throw it in here and it's just perfect. Okay, so let's get started. What we're gonna do is you're gonna part your hair kind of in the middle right here, a little bit above your ear. And this doesn't have to be perfect. You just literally section it off with your fingers, and then I'm grabbing this comb, what is this called? I'm grabbing this hair clip, and I'm gonna just hold my hair up. I know it looks a little crazy, but this is what we're gonna need. So I'm gonna start off by doing this bottom section right here. And guys, I promise you, this is so easy to use. Usually for blowouts, you would usually see like people use a blow dryer and a comb. This right here is a 2-in-1. You don't need to hold a comb and a blow dryer and do all of that. It's literally 2-in-1. So easy. So for my setting, I usually use middle. Sometimes I use high. And then what you want to do is for the bottom layers, I kind of like to bring them inwards like this. So literally put it underneath and then just comb it out. So let me turn it on. Look at that. Look at how beautiful this curl is. Let me hold it against the door because I'm wearing dark. You could just see how beautiful that curl is. Like, do you see how it just swivels inwards because I'm curling it in? So now that that's done, I'm gonna lay that back down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this section. And as you guys can see, what I'm basically doing is I'm holding on to this right here. I like that it gives you enough space for you to like hold it with your entire hand. And then I'm literally just like twisting it. Like, you know what I mean? So easy, guys. Look at that. So now that the bottom's done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take down this clip, and I'm going to grab another section. Here I'm gonna just pull up the top a little bit and clip this. The nice thing about this is that you can really play around with it. There's no like exact way for you to do it. The whole point of it is for it to dry your hair and add volume. So you could divide it up into whatever section you want, into as many sections as you want, especially if you have a lot of layers. You could definitely coordinate according to your layers. Right now, my layers are super grown out. I haven't had a haircut in God knows how long. Another one done. Look at how it just swivels right in. Like it just swivels. It's so pretty. So now I'm gonna grab this other section right here. And you can totally decide if you want to curl it upwards or if you want to curl it under. I personally like to curl it under because I like it to kind of just flow in. And then for the top part, I'm going to show you guys, I do it the opposite way. But either way, you can choose either way, whatever you feel more comfortable with. Both of them are going to give you beautiful volume either way. And if you guys don't know, I used to have my hair shaved, so that's why this little section right here is so small. So I'm gonna have to do this separately because the hairs are tiny. Like, look at this volume. You see how it's curling in? So nice. So this is what it's looking like so far. It is so fast. Like, I feel like you could do this in literally 10 minutes. Like, it's so fast. So now with this top section, I like to split it up into two sections. What I do is I split it like this. The front is more of like my bangs, if you will. And then this right here is just the back part. So same thing. Now these two front pieces, I'm going to just clip them together so that they're not in the way. And then I'm going to finish off this other part. Okay, so this is the last section. So I like to combine these together. And the way that I do the front part is I like to start by curling inwards at the bottom. And then I switch and I put it at the top before I let go. And then it's just gonna give you like really nice outward curl. So as you guys noticed, the bottom layers I always did underneath. The top layer I always do on the top. And the reason why I do it that way is just so that it creates different direction and it kind of adds a little bit more volume. And now we are done. Did you guys see this? Wow. So now what I like to do is add a little bit of dry shampoo. I like to do this because it adds more volume to like the root of my hair, because we have a lot of volume at the bottom, but I like to just add a little bit to the top. So this is the final look. And guys, I am obsessed. Like, take a look at the volume. The volume's still there. It looks so beautiful. And what I like is how easy it is. And at the same time, it dries your hair and adds volume, because usually what I do when I wash my hair is I air dry it and then I straighten it. But now I can just use this super quick, dries it like this, and it adds volume. So I definitely recommend you guys try this out. This hairstyle is so easy, but it also looks like you actually took time to do your hair. Let me know in the comments down below what your guys' thoughts are. What's your favorite hairstyle? Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.